Hi everybody, I'm Mindy Gold, and I am so excited to be highlighting BookCreator today. BookCreator is a tool that allows you to invite collaboration and reflection in a very open creative space. I've invited Jewish Learning Works' Jenni Mangel, Director of Educational Leadership, to help share how she used BookCreator with her learners. Let's take a look at a few of the ways that Jenni organized for students to have choice and be creative. So I'm going to share some of the pages in the book that she created for her learners. Here's the cover page. And as we move into the book itself, you'll see that there were some initial texts offered for the learners to engage with. Jenni provided an overview of the book and how to use BookCreator, giving everybody independence in their opportunity to be creative and reflect. Here's some more tutorials. Then she gave some detailed instructions, right? You'll notice that she's got some boxes, she's got color, and to help differentiate what to do when. She also embedded a Padlet wall in BookCreator that had some initial resources to support the learners. She also created a template, right? So there's some choice within a little bit of structure. And finally, she also provided sample pages with a variety of content to illustrate what BookCreator features can do.
For me as a facilitator, it was very liberating because I didn't feel constrained around, I have to pick just these texts about Deborah for them to look at. I have to choose which 4 texts of Tamar I'm going to give them. I have to choose. I wasn't limited in my preparation. And I think then it also meant that they were not limited in their exploration. Sometimes we forget why we got into teaching, and I think I got into teaching because I love learning. And so, being in the role of the teacher and setting up these experiences where the learners and the teaching, and it's all reciprocal and it's back and forth, and the triangle that you talk about so often with the teacher, the learner, and the content, it's all happening right here. And, it's a nice reminder for me about how I started in this field to begin with and why I love the work that we do. And I think it was helpful that they had the Padlet that I created remember we created those curated sources. I think that was helpful in saying start here. But you see in here that they ended up in all sorts of other places that I hadn't thought of. And so I think we ended up with a deeper exploration than we would have if I had said, now we're talking about Jewish women in leadership. One of the things that's so cool about BookCreator is that it does allow each group to have the individual expression and curiosity and whatever. In the tool of BookCreator, there are so many choice points for people to make, even down to I let them choose who they wanted to explore. I gave them suggestions, but there were also blank pages that they could invent their own person to go researching about.
Let's take a look at a few of those choices that Jenni just mentioned. Here's a blank page in BookCreator. Let me move my video. And in the top right corner of every page, there's a plus. And that plus icon allows you to search for images, to add things that you upload, to draw or add text. So as soon as I add something to the page, it shows up in a little blue box. I can also add a shape. And to customize those, I click on whatever I've added and click the I button. And then I can change the format, the color, and anything else I'd like for the item that I have selected. So here's the Padlet wall that you can access by scanning the QR code at the end of the video. I just want to point out that there's some articles here about reflection, and I often go to thinking routines from Harvard's Project Zero to help me choose reflection questions. So that link is here for you as well. You'll also find tutorials about how to get started with BookCreator and some ways other educators have used the tool.